Alright, so I really never plan to make a video tonight, but me there. I know I got you on my YouTube and a be a thing me say a pop up about Jack Cure this, Jack Cure that, Jack Cure. Me I wonder since when Jamaicans turn like that where them just start run them out or just chat. Me can understand how woman a do it, But man, me not see how man sit down online and I thought me understand say alright, a YouTube channel you want to make money, but if you have to make money at another person's demise, like, you know, me not get it, man. Me just not get it. Me not understand this whole thing. And I just live on my name and I just then somehow not go on like a different and a different actions or this or that, but at the same time I just I try to make a profit off a whole situation and everything. Yo, it's sad, yo. But like I said, when me there grew up a long time I left yard, so I left Jamaica from here, 16 year old. But me just know say when me did down there, when me there yard, man not chat there where the people not live per people business. You have one or two people in that community and I usually so big worthless woman over there just sit down and just lap their fractal or just chat. You feel me? But as far as yard they do it, me not know that how me come here in America, me sit down around certain yard man when me hang out with or whatever, like we not sit down and chat people, man, just sit down and build a vibe or just talk. And I just live by this Jack Cure thing, Jack Cure that if I know Jack Cure styleology and yam pum pum or but it's not easy, man. For real. But to each its own still, but I just say, oh, this shit's sad to me.